Hello and welcome again. It's mid-1970 here, and this time I'm going to show you how to replace the Gaiter around your gear stick. So say you've got a car and it's aging a little bit and you want to make it look just a little bit fresher. Just for a few pounds you can buy replacement leather parts. I'm going to show you how to change one now. Okay, so this is the old gear stick. The Gaiter, look, it's all worn. All the leather's come off it. Yeah. And there's the new shiny one. Okay, so we don't need this. We can cut this off and get rid of it. Okay, let's see if we can cut through that, because on this motor that lifts up. We want to get that over the gear stick. Pop this up, and that is the old one off. Right. Take the old one out of the shroud. They're all very, very similar kinds of things, and then we discard. This is the newer one. That's the newer one. Fitted. Yeah. Where's the pins? Helps if you get it the right way around. And that's that. And how long has that taken me? 4 minutes. It's probably one of the shortest YouTube videos I've ever done. So please remember to like and subscribe. There's plenty of videos out there. Take a look at the links. You should see some of the little postcards popping up there. And I'll see you again for my next film. Thank you very much.